Welcome to Grind Time with Rudy. I'm Rudy Samsel, co-founder of GuysWithRides.com. And in this latest installment, I'm going to take you through our 2-day road trip we just completed yesterday to pick up the 1985 Porsche 928S you see behind me. I've nicknamed the car Risky Business because we bought the car sight unseen and I paid $4,000 for the car. When word got out that I bought this car, my dear friend Nick here in Jersey graciously volunteered for us to go on a road trip in his diesel-powered F-350 Ford pickup truck, pulling his aluminum car hauler. So watch the 2-minute montage, and then I'll be back, and I'll take you through what I did for the first day here. Ready to go pick up a Porsche?
I am.
Now that the car is back here at the Guys with Rides garage, I've set a lofty goal. I'm hoping that Nurse Nancy and I can drive this car down to Amelia Island, Florida in early March to attend the Werks Reunion for the Porsche Club. I think it would be just a cool trip, the perfect trip for a GT like this. So I've got my work cut out for me because that's now only 141 days away. So the first order of business today is to see what works and what doesn't electrically on the car. All right, so we have the battery in. We've got it in the smuggler's box. Everything's taken care of there. Let's get in and see what's working and doesn't work. So, first check is the interior lights work. Door. All right. So, fun fact on the 928 is, unlike most other Porsches, they put the key on the right-hand side. So, all right, so right away, a good sign is the fact that all of the dash lights are working. So we got a Blaupunk. Oh, let's see what we got in here. All right, nothing in the Blaupunk. So the fact I've got the key on, he's according to, that's the warning light. So let's check now. You can hear the blower. You have to have it off 0. And so we got a blower. Okay. Let's see if the headlights pop up. And now, so the lights work. Not sure what that's about, that they don't go on and they go off. And then I'm going to do flash to pass. Okay, good sign here that you can see everything on the dash, all the warning lights here. So, I don't want to leave that on too long. Horn works. We'll have to try the cruise control when we get this running. That works. So that's the driver's side power window. All right. And I can tell you already from yesterday, just the fact that I'm doing that. All right, that's something with the hatch. So the hatch sort of latches, but it doesn't. That's what that button is. There, I'm pushing the... So even as I'm... Just since yesterday, they barely would run. Oh. Alright, well... We've got the rear wiper working. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to restore these because they don't have the printing on them to tell you what they are. So I'll get that cleaned up. So electrically, everything seems to be... Well, let's try the mirrors now. Yeah, I don't have up on the switch. And then over there. Well, that's loud, but it's working. Alright, so this is the sunroof. And not surprisingly, it's, you can hear it running. That's a good sign. It's probably stuck. And we'll have to figure out how to do that at some point, but I'm not too worried about it. It is the smallest sunroof. It's one of the most useless things. So, electrically, I'm very happy with where the car is. So thank you for tuning into my latest video. If you like these videos, please press the like button, and most importantly, please press the subscribe button. And if you haven't done so yet, please check out our main website, guyswithrides.com. We're loading content up there every day. We have our silent make offer listings starting in, November 2nd. So a lot of good stuff happening. We're now up to 6,000 email subscribers a day, receiving my daily email. So please sign up for that. And I'm really excited about where Guys with Rides is heading. And I thank everyone for helping make it a success. So have a good day and be sure to check in for our next video coming soon.